guys, if you are new here, my name is Candace. If you are returning, welcome back. So today I wanted to do a makeup look that was solely inspired by my MTV t-shirt. It just really took me back with the cassette tape, the floppy disk, the Walkman, and just the neon colors in general. So I knew I had to do an eye look using my DiTo Cosmetics neon palette. Now I do feel like it came out looking more Mardi Gras inspired, if anything. I'm gonna add a little bit more yellow in the corner here to make it more like neon. That's good. We're just gonna dive right on into this video. Brows are done. For my brows, I used the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate. For foundation, I used my Kevyn Aucoin The Sensual Skin Enhancer Foundation in the shade SX10. Haven't used it in so long, so I wanted to just go ahead and use it. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on. I picked up this new concealer from Target. It is by Winky Lux. I wanted to give them a try because I noticed that their price point was higher than your typical drugstore brand item. So this concealer I got in light beige. It was $16, so I'm like, okay, well, let me give this a try. Now, as far as the shade, I wish I would have gotten a lighter shade. The shade is just like too close to my skin tone for my liking, but I like it because it's like a nice transition shade for me, because my hydrating camo concealer that I like to use by e.l.f., it is pretty light, so I do find that this Winky Lux concealer acts as a really nice transition shade. Instead of just going in with that super bright shade, it's nice to have like a warmer tone underneath so that when you do go in with that lighter shade, it's not so harsh. It's easier to blend out into your foundation. If you've been watching my past few videos, then you know that this e.l.f. camo concealer is my jam. I'm gonna go in with Fair Warm. This is the hydrating concealer. I've been really liking pulling it into my nose. That's just a slimming technique if you ever want to make your nose appear more cinched than what it really is. You'll just pull that concealer in on the sides there. I'm gonna spray my skin really quickly with my Pixie Glow Mist. For contour, I'm going to go in with my Mented foundation stick in the shade L20. To set my under eye area, I'm going to go in with my Airspun powder in the shade Naturally Neutral. I'm going to go ahead and prep my lids with my MAC paint pot in the shade Painterly. Today, I'm going to be using the DiTo Cosmetics Neon Palette. If you don't follow me on social media, you definitely should, because that is where you see all of the updates whenever I get PR and things like that. But DiTo Cosmetics sent me a really nice PR package, and so I'm going to go ahead and insert that video over here for you guys to check out. But yeah, this is the neon palette. This is it. OMG. It comes with a really nice mirror. The first color I'm going to go in with is going to be Lemon. I am literally just gonna pack this right here. Oh my gosh, it's really not bad for a yellow. Like, yellows are not very easy to do, and this is definitely one of the better yellows I've actually gotten my hands on, so I'm not mad at this. So the next color I'm going to go in with, I'm going to pick up a little bit of Azure. We're gonna go in with Light Bean next. I'm gonna go in with Agate. These colors are just so pigmented. I'm going to go in with purple. I'm gonna start trying to like blend this part out.
See you on the other side. Stay light.
That wasn't so bad. The shadows luckily blend out pretty well, so that's not bad. You just have to go in with each brush and you just have to pat the colors slightly over one another to help them merge together. I'm going to go in a little bit more with Light Bean. And because I feel like Azure is just a little bit too similar to Light Bean in this situation, I'm going to go in with Sky. I'm gonna put that kind of towards the front.
See you on the other side. Stay light.
I'm gonna try my best to like sweep this fallout away.
I got to keep it together. Keep it together.
I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Sunray by Pixie. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Midnight Cowboy glitter by Urban Decay. This is giving me like Mardi Gras vibes. I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Roller Liner in the shade Black. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Stay Naked the Fix powder in 30NN. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Extra Volume Collagen Mascara. For powder, I'm gonna be going in with my BH Cosmetics Foundation Powder in the shade 230. So I went ahead and put on my Fame lashes in the style Hey Squirrel by Kevin Wade. You guys know that those are my favorite. I am looking a bit pale, so I'm going to go in with my MAC Aaliyah bronzer. For my lips, I'm gonna go with my RK by Kiss Ultra Easy Lip Liner in Nude Rose. For my lipstick, I'm going to go in with my Gerard Cosmetics in Underground. And then in the center, I'm going to go in with my MAC Lazy Lullaby lipstick. Just this pretty lilac.
Stays alive. Stays alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together.
My Lip Lift Max by Pixie.
I got to keep it together.
And as a finishing touch, I'm just gonna go in with my mascara on my lower lash line. So that is it for this completed makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. This eye is scary as shit, okay? This eye is so scary, and I'm just like, what? I'm so scared. I'm scared, you guys. I'm really, really scared. I don't know what to do. I feel like I look like Green Lantern or somebody.